All right, so today we're going to go over simulated buttonholes. Now, essentially, this is like a decorative stitching you're doing. It is a fake buttonhole. We're not going to actually cut it open, so it's going to go fairly quickly from a stitching perspective because it's not real. So that is today's lesson, is how to make a simulated buttonhole, also known as a blind buttonhole. It's a fake, and I'm going to show you how to make a fake buttonhole. First thing you do is cut off a long strand of thread. Better to have a long strand than too little, because that's going to leave you some weird knots in the back of your fake buttonhole. Once you thread your needle, don't double it up, just leave it as a single thickness, but tie a knot in the end. That's just so you don't pull it through accidentally as you get things started, basically. Now, counterintuitively, actually start the fake buttonhole on the top and outside of where you're actually going to be stitching. And then you're going to basically create stranded thread, just one single strand up and down either side of your fake buttonhole. Okay, and this is going to give you a stitch line to work against as you lay down the actual buttonhole stitching. Once you have your strands in place to stitch against, basically you just use the buttonhole stitch. The exact same one we used for the tailored buttonhole is used to create this buttonhole.